Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about the what is lambda expressions, how to use function interfaces, and how to apply this whole thing together in one application. So we tried to create one employee class, simple project class, then we tried to create some collection of it and then print it all stuffs without sorting. It's here, then with sorting by creating an extra class, and then by using lambda expression by using some concepts of function interface. Okay, it's done. We have used or created our own function interfaces as well in previous example before this. Now time to learn some predefined functional interfaces, and all these functional interfaces are present inside this java util.function. Okay, this package was introduced in jdk8. So some of the or most famous predefined functional interfaces are predicate, function, consumer, and supplier. Then after, if you have two argumented function interface, that means the method takes two arguments, so you can have by predicate. Okay, there's a typo. By function. Okay, by function again, but let's write this again. So when it comes to two argument constructors, sorry, function interfaces, so by predicate, that's how we write capital B, and copy, paste, and paste. Okay, so by predicate, by function, and by consumer. Okay, we just have these three interfaces in case when we have two arguments in its function, in its method. And one category is when we have primitive types, so int predicate, int function, int consumer, int supplier. Okay, that should be capital I. Let's fix that as well. So you guys can see it doesn't matter what kind of argument or primitive types you're taking, everywhere we have these first four interfaces: predicate, function, consumer, supplier, right? So it's int supplier. So these are not the only interfaces, there's a huge list of predefined function interfaces. If you want to refer, you can refer this site docs.oracle, and they have a list of interfaces. So I just picked some of the mostly used interfaces. As I said, it's primitive, so for int I picked. Now we have long as well, we have object as well, and conversion like to double, to int, to long, and unary operator as well, and plus other predefined function function interfaces are present. So it's totally depend upon what's your requirement, and you can pick it. And even check the requirement what it says: function interfaces provide target types of for lambda expression and method references. So okay, that's one statement we can pick definitely here. So what we have to do next, in next video we will try to understand first four interfaces. Let's get some understanding on them, and then once we have understanding, we can apply that understanding on next two types like two argumented and primitive predefined function interfaces. So let's see next video. Till then, bye bye everyone.